Right now, I have to show you what's going on outside. I've been watching our sky cams. I went outside. Virginia's been outside. We were talking about how nice a day it has turned out to be after all the clouds we saw earlier. And these sky cams, the big puffy clouds, they're just painting our sky. It is such a nice day. It's a little cooler though along the coastline, we're already seeing some 70s. Actually, much warmer in Oceanside, 74 degrees, 71 downtown. And that's because we started off on such a warmer note in those areas. I mean, temperatures were in the 60s and 50s to start off this morning, thanks to those clouds. The winds are starting to pick up. You can see, look at that, Kearney Mesa gusting to 20, a little bit higher than that in Julian. And those winds are going to continue to pick up into the afternoon and evening. The strongest winds will target our mountains and deserts, and that's where a wind advisory will start at 2 o'clock today. Averaging gusts 45 to 55 miles per hour, but for the coast and valleys, we could see gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Now in the mountains and the deserts where these strong winds are going to target, may be difficult driving, especially for tall vehicles, and in the deserts it may reduce some visibility due to that blowing sand. All of it due to this system. We're on the tail end of a cold front that swung by. That's why we saw those clouds this morning, but it's now swinging on through. Along the coastline, as I was mentioning, some areas already in the 70s today. We'll be an average around 68, 69 the next couple of days, up to 70 degrees for our Easter. Inland neighborhoods keeping a little cooler the next couple of days, still nice in the 70s, but near 80 degrees for Easter Sunday. And another chance for showers will come through on Tuesday, and late Monday into Tuesday, the winds will pick up in the mountains and deserts. Guys?